The two-day Unity Promo Fest, an initiative by the Tripura Tourism Department aimed at promoting the state's culture and boosting its tourism sector, was inaugurated today by the Governor Indrasena Reddy Nallu at the Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar College ground in Belonia.
भाई
अनुभव हो रहा है सबको जोरदार तालियों के बीच स्वागत करने का अनुरोध करूंगा हमारे
সম্মানীয় অতিথি শ্রী দীপক দত্ত মহোদয়
शुभम करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसंपदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय नमस्ते. O holy fire of the land, please let us overcome the darkness and lead us.
The inaugural ceremony, which was presided over by Belonia Municipal Council Chairperson Nikhil Chandra Gop, saw the attendance of several dignitaries, including South Tripura Jilla Parishad Sabadi Party Deepak Datta, MLS Pramod Riyang, Moila Frumok, and Swapna Mojumdar, South Tripura District Magistrate Mohammad Sajad B, and District Superintendent of Police Moria Krishna C. In his inaugural address, Governor Nallu stated that such festivals serve as a meeting point for people from various communities and tribes of Tripura, facilitating the spread of their unique customs and cultures. He highlighted the festival's crucial role in developing the tourism industry, believing that events of this nature would significantly publicize and expand the reach of the state's tourist destinations. He concluded by extending his best wishes for the success of the Unity Promo Fest.
Distinguished guests, members of media, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear fellow citizens. It gives me great pleasure to be present here today in the beautiful town of Belonia amidst all of you to inaugurate the Unity Promo Fest 2025. This festival, in its very name, encapsulates a profound ideal unity in a state of beautifully deserved as Tripura, where numerous communities, cultures and traditions have coexisted in harmony for centuries. An event that celebrates this unity is not just a festival, it is a reaffirmation of our core values. It is a powerful message that our strength lies in our togetherness. The government of Tripura, under its dynamic tourism department and our Mantri, is to be commended for conceiving and organizing this event. Such initiatives are crucial. They do more than just boost tourism. They preserve and promote our priceless culture heritage, provide a platform for our local artisans and performs and stimulate the local economy, empowering our communities. I am informed that over the next 2 days, you will be treated to a magnificent showcase of Tripura's soul from the mesmerizing cultural program.
Tourism Minister Susanto Chaudhary stressed that the primary goals of the fest are to showcase Tripura's culture and heritage globally and to generate income and employment opportunities through tourism.
আমরা গত 8 তারিখ নারিকেল কুঞ্জ থেকে ইউনিটি প্রমো ফেস্ট 2025 এর শুভ সূচনা করেছিলাম মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর হাত দিয়ে। নারিকেল কুঞ্জে প্রায় 30,000 এর উপর মানুষ, বিশেষ করে উপজাতি অংশের মানুষ, দুদিন ব্যাপী এই অনুষ্ঠানে তারা শামিল হয়েছে এবং আমাদের বিশ্বাস দক্ষিণ জেলা ভিত্তিক এই প্রমো ফেস্ট, ইউনিটি প্রমো ফেস্ট আজকে যা শুভ সূচনা হচ্ছে মাননীয় রাজ্যপাল মহোদয়ের হাত ধরে, আজ এবং কাল মিলে ঐতিহাসিক রেকর্ড অংশের মানুষ এখানে জমায়েত হবে এবং দুদিন ব্যাপী আমাদের সংস্কৃতি, আমাদের খাদ্য, আমাদের পর্যটন নিয়ে আমাদের যে ভাবনা সেটা সম্পর্কে নিজেদেরকে সেখানে ওয়াকিবহাল করবেন।
A major highlight of the day was the captivating culture program presented by artists from the South Tripura district. The event also featured a spectacular laser show and a vibrant indigenous fashion show celebrating the rich and diverse heritage of the region. Pure report, Chini Khorang.